Annyeonghaseyo!
Annyeonghaseyo!
Since you were not around during the live event, please receive your portions of snack. 1 box of pizza each. And soft drinks. That is from Chocominim.
Chocominim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
And additional 2 ice cream each. Ipas na nga, ipas. That is from Chusung Jinim.
Chusung Jinim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. Okay. So please receive your 1 box of pizza. 1 box of pizza. And drinks. And ice cream. So the pizza and drinks is from Chocominim.
Chocominim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
And the ice cream is from Chosungjinim.
Chosungjinim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. Annyeonghaseyo Victorinim. This is Yana and we're here at the Sari Sari store. And Yana will go shopping. Go. Pansit Canton. Snacks, biscuits, and toothpaste. Okay. Toothpaste. What else? What are you looking for? Sabay pangita ni mo?
Rice.
Rice? You want to buy rice? Why?
Because my birthday is coming.
Your birthday is coming? When is your birthday?
August 13.
Wow, Yana's birthday is coming and Yana wants to buy rice. How many kilos you want to buy?
2.
2 kilos? Yana wants to buy 2 kilos of rice. Pilang kilo, te?
63.
63 per kilo. And then 2 kilos would be 126. Okay. That's 2 kilos. 2 kilos. Yana wants to buy 2 kilos of rice for her birthday. Happy birthday, Yana. Yana wants to get milk. How many? How many milk? Ako lang. 5? 5 pieces? Okay. How pati? Shane. 5 pieces, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, milk, snacks, pansit canton, toothpaste, and Yana wants to buy 2 kilos of rice. Yana wants to get shampoo. How many shampoo man natin? How many shampoo? 5, 1. Okay. Okay, help. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get 5. 5. Naman, 2 kilos? Here, 2 kilos of rice. Kana. Done. Okay na, maabot na natin. Let's count. Okay, let's count. Come in. Give to ate. Give. Okay, calculator. Cellphone. Cellphone ko ya. Okay, mag-calculate si mama ni mo. Ayaw lang may calculator. Ila? 300? O more pa yan na. 319. More. More. Get. More. What else? Papa. More pa. What do you want to get? More. Ah, you want this one? Bioderm. Pila man day? Pila ka Bioderm? Duha ka. Isulot ka dahil. Sige na mo. Kramer, tsaka mucho.
Inan guys.
Pila ka buok. Kusgay man tingog. Kusgay man tingog. Pila man. Isa pa mong gusto. Kusgay man tingog. Saan mong ganahan? Egg? You want egg? Okay, get how many eggs? 10? How many? Ha? Kuwag dos. Kunin ko sa man chocomocho?
Hindi.
Ikaw dai. 2 pesos, 4.98 man. 2 more. 2 pesos. You will still have 2 pesos. Okay, get. So this is what Yana bought. Eggs, milk, juice, snacks, shampoo, toothpaste, pancit canton, and this one, detergent. Ay, saan eh? Tondrox. And 2 kilos of rice.
Bichurinim, kamsahamnida.
Alright, kamsahamnida, Victorinim. Annyeonghaseyo, Victorinim. This is Samantha, and she will go shopping in this sari-sari store worth 500 pesos. Okay, start! Okay, Zunrox. Surf, Downy, ay. Kupti ti, ang giguptan ti. Kupti, ang giguptan ba? Kanang kuante ba? Kanang balde-balde niya. Kaplanggana. Asa man? Itudlo lang day. Foods. Snacks. Samantha want to buy snacks. And juice. Which one? Orange or oh. What else? Blizzard. Juice. Smart C. Juice with nata de coco. Are you happy?
Yes.
Samantha? Thank you so much. Picturing me. Chips. What else? Faster. Pas. Ito pa. Ito pa. Purple soap. Johnson's baby soap. And then biscuits. Chocolate cake. Biscuit. Maabot na 500. Let's count. Type on. Abot na. Wow, snacks. Samantha get some snacks. I-count na? Let's count. Let's count. So this is what Samantha bought. And are you happy?
Yes. Picture name, 감사합니다.
Let's count. Bella? Pakita natin. Ayan, careful. 26, 26, 52. Pakita natin. Marasi ang total of 580. Sige.
감사합니다. Picture name, 감사합니다. Thank you.
Yeah, are you happy?
Yes.
Mm.
Very happy.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Nina.
So you just arrived from school?
Yes.
Okay. Anyways, Chaji Hunin gave each of you 100 pesos. Actually, you are 7, but Yara is not yet home. So the 6 of you and Yara will receive 100 pesos allowance from Chaji Hunin.
Chajunin, 감사합니다.
Alright. And we Paramnim gave each of you 100 pesos allowance, including Yara. We
class.
Good evening, Teacher Luis. Good evening, classmates. It's nice to see you this evening.
Kayo may take your seats.
Thank you, Teacher Luis.
Okay, today, this evening, so we have a story. Ang title, basa.
10 likes red.
Okay, so the 10 likes red. So ato sa basa ng story before na ko explain ha. Yan ako ipangutanan ninyo kung nakasabot mo sa story. Nakasabot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so read.
10 likes red.
Yan.
10 likes red. He has a red bell. He has a red bell. We got 10 a blue hat.
Very good. Next.
I do not like blue. Said Ted. We got 10 a red hat. I like the red hat, said Ted.
Okay, so ako explain ninyo ang story ha. So, si Ted ko no, kani si Ted, so ang title nila kay Ted Likes Red. So si Ted, mo ang pangalan sa usa ka bata o lalaki. Sa pangalan nimo? Okay, so si John. Ang pangalan daw sa estudyante diri kay si John. So ang pangalan diri kay si
Ted.
Okay, si Ted ko no, sa color yang ganahan?
Red.
Okay, so si Ted, ganahan siya og color red. Nakasabot.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so he has a red bed. So si Ted kuno.
So, today is L3 class, so I didn't have a class today. So, I didn't class for them because they have assignments and activities. So, here, so, Stephanie, para asa man na imong activity ng imong gibuhat? Sa TLE. So, ang kani si Paulo, your brother, o si Jinmei, imo gipatabang. Since Paulo and Jinmei don't have assignments or activities. So, Stephanie asked help for the two. So, Stephanie asked help from Paulo and Jinmei. So, here is Christine having her assignment in Math 10. So have assignment in Math. Here is Ruby, so designing her activity in English also. So she already done writing the paragraph. And Legion also assignments. So, saan ang assignment, Legion? Filipino. So they have assignments and projects. So I decided not to have a class today so they can focus on their activities and assignments. So also I'm also helping Christine to cover her notebook here. Also these notebooks.